Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be assembling our CASA-BOODESK. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, we'll be needing parts 3, 4, 6 and 6 parts number A. Let's go ahead and show how to install now. For our next step, we'll be needing 3 parts number 2, our boards, 12 parts B, our self-tapping screws, and 2 parts D, our normal standard threaded screws, and our number 7 part. We'll also be taking the 2 side structures that we built earlier for this next step. For our next step, we'll be taking 2 parts 5 and 4 of our D screws so that we can mount them on to our previous assembly. We'll show you how to do that now. If assembled correctly in our previous step, you'll notice that we have inside mount points here on each of the side frame where we'll be attaching our parts number 5. You'll notice there's 2 holes here directly opposite a single hole. This is where we'll be installing them into the sides here. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that now. Moving on, we'll be taking our parts that were previously assembled, our part number 6. This time we'll be needing 2 longer E screws and we'll be attaching it to our main assembly from earlier. Let's go ahead and do that now. For our next step, we'll be needing our part number 1, the main top board, as well as 6 of our D screws once again. Let's go ahead and show you how to install. For our next step, we'll be needing one of our part 8s, our brace, and 4 of our C screws. We'll go ahead now and mount them in the predetermined mount points. Alright, for our last step, we'll be needing another part 8 as well as 4 of our part C's. Once again, we'll be installing the brace. With this last configuration, we have 2 setups, so you can either choose your seated orientation this side and then brace it off on the opposite side. You'll notice that on the inside of this subframe here, we've got 2 holes to mount on the inside and 2 holes to mount on the outside, and these will correspond on the opposite side as well. For now, we'll install it on this side and we'll show you how to do that now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-BOODESK. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.